You won't believe what this contractor was caught doing in someone else's home. A 35-year-old Malaysian contractor, T. Wen Jun, has been sentenced to 4 weeks in jail for filming a woman while she was showering in her own home during a renovation project. Yes, you heard that right. A person hired to work on the house violated the trust of the homeowner in the worst possible way. But how exactly did this happen? And what led to T's arrest? Stay with us as we break down the shocking details of this case and what it means for home security and personal privacy. In September 2024, T had been working on a renovation project in the victim's kitchen and living room. On the day of the incident, T decided to use the bathroom located in the kitchen. While he was using the toilet, he heard the victim, a 25-year-old woman, showering in the adjacent bathroom, which was separated by a frosted glass partition. What happened next was both shocking and disturbing. Instead of ignoring it and carrying on with his work, T closed the toilet lid, stepped on it, and lifted his phone over the partition to secretly record the victim. The victim, startled by the sight of a phone hovering above her head, immediately screamed for help. Her husband, who was in the bedroom at the time, rushed out and confronted T, demanding to see his phone. T initially denied doing anything wrong, but under pressure he handed over his phone. What they found was undeniable. A video of the victim showering was on the device. The victim's husband immediately contacted his brother-in-law, who then alerted the authorities. T was arrested shortly after. Assistant Public Prosecutor Ap Azran Samad made it clear that the victim's home should have been a place of safety. He argued that T's actions were a severe breach of trust and called for a sentence of 5 to 7 weeks in jail. Despite T having no prior criminal record, the court determined that the evidence against him was overwhelming. After all, he was caught in the act. T's defense lawyer, Patrick Chow, asked the court whether a gag order would be applied to the case and if T's details would be made public. However, the judge clarified that the gag order only applied to the victim's identity to protect her privacy. In the end, the court sentenced T to 4 weeks in jail, a punishment that some might find too lenient considering the severity of the crime. Under Singapore's laws, voyeurism carries a maximum penalty of up to 2 years in prison, a fine, and caning. However, T managed to avoid the maximum punishment. What do you think? Was the punishment fair, or should he have received a harsher sentence? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this report valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more detailed and insightful coverage of breaking news and important cases. Your support helps us bring you the facts you need to stay informed. So, what's your take on this case? Should Singapore introduce tougher laws to protect privacy within the home? Let us know in the comments. We want to hear from you.